Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your new Relic account and grabbing the license key. Keep it handy. Next, pick the language agent that matches your app, Java, Node, JS, Python, or Net, and follow the brief install steps in the agent docs so it attaches at startup. Once installed, restart your application and watch APM for incoming metrics. This first connection proves the agent is reporting. Make sure to resolve any install errors before moving to instrumentation. Now instrument your code and services. Add custom spans or annotations for the transactions that matter. Enable distributed tracing so you can follow a request across microservices and identify latency sources. Then create dashboards showing throughput, error rate, and response time, and set up alert policies with clear conditions and notification channels. As you configure, use NRQL queries for tailored views and test alert triggers. This ensures your telemetry maps to finish by deploying the instrumented code and confirming continuous data flow in New Relic. Tune alert thresholds to reduce noise and create role-based dashboards to share insights across teams. Make sure retention and user access settings match your needs and automate report delivery if required. If something goes wrong and no data appears, check the agent logs first, verify the license key, and ensure outbound traffic to New Relic isn't blocked. That single check resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.